miss me? You miss me?
It's there.
Look at the difference, the color difference. I look like coffee and you look like a milk.
No.
Oh no. Am I your mama? Am I your mama? Am I your mama? Mama. Guys, kagaling lang namin sa construction site. And then, ito na nga, kakarating lang namin. At ito si Rowena ay merong...
Hey, Mama.
What is that?
That's a package.
Wow!
Dapat daw 3 or more. Malugapo.
What? Why? You are spoiling me with your packages.
Yeah.
What are you? What is wrong with you guys? I don't want to be spoiled. But you are spoiling with your gifts. Oh, you need to Rowena, you need to keep all the boxes. Yes, you need to keep that so later on we will yeah. No, we will just keep that this is from our followers. But before that, Mate, if you want to open that package, you need to clean up first.
Mama, do you know I put this Peppa Pig leg on the floor?
Oh, really? Can you give it to me, the package?
Yeah.
Wow. Ay!
Look at.
So, whoever gave this, thank you very much again. Still, pero na dato still. Dami naman ito. Uy, ang dami niya nang pinadala sa amin.
Ana siya, what's inside the box at Tiwina?
What's inside the box daw? Do you want to open it now?
Yeah.
Okay, you need to prepare the scissors. Ate Wina. How about you, Lily? Do you want to open it now?
We're done.
Do you want to open it now, my love?
It's mine.
Do you want to open it now?
Nice.
Guys, another package from our followers. Thank you very much. Sa mga gustong So, Mati, come here, Mati. Come here. Tutay, can you sit here?
Wow.
Ate Wina, sit here. Okay. Are you guys ready to open this one?
Yeah.
How about you, Lily? Ready?
It's down.
Yay!
Yay.
So what do you want to say to our followers that keep on giving us packages? Thank you, everyone!
Thank you, people.
Thank you, peoples! Thank you for all the love and support from day one until now. Ate Rose Bungato, Ate Jane Cruz, and Ate Rowena, thank you so much for everything from the bottom of our
It's gift for
hearts.
me.
I don't know, this is a surprise
Present
because
namin.
we don't know what they sent to us. So, okay, are you guys ready to see what is inside?
Yes, I want to see.
Okay, me too.
Yes, ma.
How about Lily?
Yeah,
you
also
want to see?
your knife. Also your knife.
It's
What?
package number 4.
It's package number 4.
What?
It's a lot. Oh my God. Don't say that. I said, Ate Wina, don't say that. Sorry. Here. Okay.
Wow.
Oh, it's okay.
Wow. Sit down, Lily. Sit down. Okay, Lily, open. What is inside, Lily? Thank you.
Wow.
What is this?
Yeah.
Oh no, this is for mommy.
Well, mommy.
No, it's for Lily.
Is it for Lily? No, one at a time. Let's open this one. Let's see if it's for Lily. Oopsie! Don't open. One at a time, I said. Oh,
you?
it's not for Lily, it's for me.
Oh.
Look at that.
sexy. Lola.
Lola.
Lola?
Lola daw, bastos.
Oh my God.
Oh,
Ate
my
Wina.
God.
It's for Lily a small.
Okay, I will try to this one.
It's not sweet, it's super small.
The bread, fresh bread format.
For math?
Hello, this is so cute. Look at one at a time, gani ba? Hello. Gusto niya nang ano guys, so
Mama,
look,
finding
it's so cute. I like this. Thank you.
I'm Lola. Lola.
Lola? Lola daw. What? Why you say Lola? It's for Mama. I'm not Lola. Okay, pick one more. Pick one more.
Lola.
Don't say that. Wow!
Bello.
Bello! Okay, thank you. Meron na naman tayong pampasofa. Ayan, meron tayong Bello. Ano to? Skin hydrating face wash. And kojic acid. Bello din na sabon. Look. What did you do to Ala?
Good size. Wow.
Lola, you are
Lola, it's good size.
Lola.
For Tata.
It's your
For Tata. For Tata Bubu.
Now I cannot wear that because it's broken. Anyhow.
No, it's not broken.
Be careful with that. So next is this one. What is this?
Turno.
Wow, it's Terno. Hello, I like this.
Yeah, it's like from Thailand.
Is it from Thailand?
No, it's
It's so
similar.
cute. I like it.
Good
So
size, but my
cute.
Bubu is bigger.
Yeah, Bobo is bigger. What else? Hello, not for you, Lily. It's all for me. Look at that.
My message.
Huh? I have a message here. Hello, Mom Jerlyn. I am Ate Tina from Ate Tina from Quezon Province. I will find you po ako sa
No.
God bless you.
Mama, look at this.
From Ate Tina from Quezon Province. Thank you, Ate Tina.
Mama, there's
Wherever
something.
are you, God bless you. And thank you, Mati. Thank you. Thank you so much, and may God bless you and give you more blessings. Thank you po. Do you want to? You want to try? You want to try?
You want to try that? Give it
What
to
is
Mama.
Give it to me so I can check. What is this? What is this, Lily?
Oh, that's not mine.
Ate Wina. Next is
Super.
What
It's for me?
yes.
We need to try. And after that dance.
I will dance after I try.
Mama,
Yes.
Oh, for
Wow,
you.
it's bikini.
I want the butter.
That's so cute. You want butter?
Butter and the bread with the cheese.
It's bikini
With
time.
the cheese I want. Can you give me please?
What do you want?
No job.
You guys give me a chance to make a vlog here. Where is my ano?
No more.
Ang sawin?
Ayaw ko your cheese.
Ala, give her cheese, baby. So, Ate Tina gave us the... I'm not sure if it will be fit to my dudu.
Gumay kayo.
Yeah, because it looks
Otwierać
small. My dudu is big. But this one, I think it's fit to me. Thank you. It's a cute.
Mama,
And the other one is nice. I like the style. I like it. And then oh, another. What is this? Another. I think
Bikini.
it's another bikini.
Yaki pista.
You see, it's bikini. It's another bikini. I think it's so big for me. Yeah, malaki siya, Ed. Malaki siya. And the other one is good for the
Eat,
beach.
Lily.
It's nice. Lily, you wanna try? You eat first. And we have here one. What do you call this? Kimpit. We have Kimpit. Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone.
Where is my bra? Only for Jerlyn? I have big boo-boo.
What? You need bra?
Yes.
You need baby bra. Because you still have small doodoo.
And this, I use only unsupported. You need get the scissor here.
Gusto niya
And it's
tea-bag.
like that tea bag. Oh. This is for you.
Guys,
know.
if you want to send to me how tea-bag, you can send and we will do the
Jerlyn wear the tea-bag.
what do you call the unboxing?
But this is the best.
Send tea-bag for me how and we will do the unboxing. You can do that if they will send the tea-bag for you.
I can make everything, you know.
Mama, I want to eat.
Okay, if you guys see this vlog, if you send to us tea-bag, Miha will wear the tea-bag.
Okay.
Hey, are you
Uh-huh.
what do you go with that?
Mama, I want
Do you promise us you are going to wear the tea bag?
If you have my size.
You hear that? If you guys will send for me how tea bag, we will unbox and we will show
And I
you
go
how.
to the beach.
And we go to the beach. And you will wear the tea bag. Do you want to see me how wearing tea bag in the beach? Okay.
Mama.
Thank you, Ate Tina. Thank you so much for the gifts. Oh, what? You help me saying thank you, Lily. Come. Come on! Wala sila nangalipay, guys. Kaya agor ako, no? Thank you, everyone. Ayaw nila ako samahan kasi wala daw sila. Wala silang mga pagpinom. But anyway, thank you very much, guys. Thank you for
Thank you very much, guys.
You happy? Mama have new blessings.
But I can't find toys.
I don't find toys. You have a lot of toys. You see, Ate Wina and Ate, who is that? Manila with love gave you a lot of
The
Ate
big
Jane.
you.
Clementina.
Like
Ate
Tata.
Clementina.
Like
Yeah.
Tata and Simple.
Yeah, Tata. Yeah, you already have a lot of toys. Hello guys, good morning. My name is Jerlyn. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe so you will always be updated. So here's my
name is Michael. If you like my wife, follow us and
you like
put
my-
the doorbell on
Doorbell.
our YouTube channel. I'm the
yeah.
taxi driver of my wife every day for
But-
free.
He don't drink yet, but he look like he's drunk. Cheers. Cheers. I don't know what is the Bisaya of cheers or
No,
Tagalog.
I think it's,
Cheers to everyone.
Tagay is like cheers. But no, now it's only with alcohol.
I'm not sure.
Sorry,
so-
my Bisaya, Tagalog, and English it sucks. And cheers, okay.
because the tutor
But
sucks.
for me, like European foreigner, Tagay, it's funny.
Matt wanted to sleep with us, so we don't have enough space on the bed, so I tried to sleep in Lily's bed. That's it. I'm easy to talk, I'm not a difficult person. I will just go with the flow. Go with the flow. Ayan, good morning everyone. My name is Jerlyn again. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Ito na, nandito na tayo sa Ay, bigay muna natin to kay Agnesa yung para sa sa blueprint. Ay, para sa nag-process kasi ako sa kanya ng something kasi nga busy kami ngayon. Pupunta kami sa nilagay sa plastic kasi laging umuulan dito nowadays. Ayun yung ating gym ay hindi pa na-touch. Hello guys. Galing kami. Por, asan na ibutang por? Diha lang daw. Tay, dira sa kuan tay. Sila ra na mo kuan ana tay. Ara lang, pwede ra na sa ubos tay. Sige, ara lang na. Sa ubos. Galing kami sa City Hardware. Ito na nga nagpa-deliver kami kasi wala silang delivery truck dito. Na meron silang third party. And si Tatay Ricardo yung sa amin. Ang bilis mas okay mag-direct kasi ang bilis. We have a lot of skim coats. 20 bags. And then yung pangpintal ni Tata sa kanyang kaniyang gym, still there.
Pasar dia. Bird. Kiri bird.
Ang dami. Ayan.
Apil eh, ito balaya mga.
Oh, apil to. Pohon. So, shout out ka tay. Shout out ka tatay.
Sa akong mga kauban sa delivery.
Yeah, from City Hardware mo tayo
City
no.
Hardware.
You say you know.
I know. but
Today
I
Jerlyn
don't
start
do
work.
like
First
that.
day of the work.
So,
Our employee is not happy because you get work from one employee.
no, I will try because
You have Kuya
no,
here.
don't believe me. I know how to do that.
No,
Just like that, like that.
Come on, come on.
Oh, I will. You see what's the
Oh.
difference of me and Nico? This is Nico and this is Corman Ramon.
Yes.
Saan na po?
Dali man, dali.
Oh, saan mo po?
Dali.
Oh.
Okay. Apply. Straight ang hands, ha? Dili na kas ana ma'am. One only. One way only.
One way.
Get one way, get one way.
And then,
Then okay.
This must be smooth. Perfect.
Ha? Sige, karota mo. Ha? Okay, okay, size ka na yun. Ha? Bago.
mag-apel na lang po ko. Para daghan ka.
10 years later.
What? How can you say that?
Slowly. Where you?
Why? It doesn't need to be slow. It must be like this so it will be finished. Oh, see that? Am I doing good for?
Yes, but it's not,
It's not the right one?
it's the right one, but you need to enhance your hands to the,
You are too fast.
I'm too fast. Because I am fast, you see? I have already result.
just like this.
Look.
Okay, you show
And
me
here,
how.
you see this?
Like this. One way down, one way down, one way
So
there,
it must be slow?
down, one way here. Down. Smooth, you can get smooth.
So tayo, okay na ni Por.
You did like this.
Ah, okay. Wala ko na orient.
You say you know.
I know, see?
Okay.
Oh.
Because you put in here too much.
Ay, po ito. Hello, niya. Ang saan mo na Por? Too much man daw.
Okay na na. Ito na lang. Lihaan. Ha? Okay.
Okay.
Put the area that no skin coat like this. Just the wall.
But you don't look like.
Baby!
Come on. You must look like really worker. Oh. Now you look like really worker. Come on, continue, please. 2 hours more.
My battery. What else?
Oh my God! I don't turn record. One more time.
No, it's recording. It's recording.
How we go? You show me how you put the tails.
I don't know how. It's just like that.
Oh yes, it's just like that, like this. How you feel now?
Nothing. It's just like that.
It's
See,
little.
you see how they put?
Yes.
How Corman apply it. It looks like I'm doing like that also.
Come on. Now tails.
Georgian starving good.
Jerry today's
Michal is disturbing the...
labor and tribe skill.
I can...
Oh, you in here is the level. Show first like Kuya make.
Ayun, Rani. How easy is this? One only daw?
Pas.
Pas. Oh, manang. I'm done.
Okay, now tails. Oh,
So what?
you need more cement on your hair.
Oh my god.
But you need to check the level. You see?
Saan daw ang buhaton hindi?
I-check mo lang.
I-check na ka. Kalisado ko di ano. Di ko lang may ako insisto. I don't have insisto. This is level. I guess it's level. Yeah? Level na eh? Oh, I don't have to check.
You scared?
And this one? Dali lang, G.
Dikit.
Dikit. Oh my God.
Lagyan ka na sa boss.
Makakabuan. Kani.
Dahil nasa uldok ka tumasok.
Get the hammer.
Ano yung tranquility?
From your side more.
Pwede dok, anak na lang. And then it's easier if you will push up.
Okay. Enough.
You see?
Dziękuję.
We're just disturbing them. They are working in here. Michal wants me to work also. Can I knock your head?
Yes, you can.
Okay.
Try.
Thank you. Michal is very disturbed. What did you do with my face, Michal?
I make makeup.
Nabuang na. Is it easy to remove?
Yes, steam coat makeup.
Ay, nako Lord. So, ito na guys. Pinagdidisturbo ni Michal yung mga worker dito. Ayan. Papunta na sa salon. Ayun doon si Didi at saka si Reggie. If you guys don't know, nag-tiles na sila dito. Ayan. And then dito is tapos nang mag-skim coat going to the master bedroom. Office. Ito yung hallway. Tata is here. Don't keep on stepping where it's still new. And Tata is here. Nano kay partner tay?
Ay, tawag ako.
Oh.
Magyapon, sarang ng taon.
Katong ni-absent kahapon na naman to, no? Okay. Walay absent ron ag? Kato. Until Thursday man yun siya. And Tatay Ernesto is still here. Ayan. Pinaklose ko kasi yung ano dito guys, yung wall. Ay wall, bintana. Kasi ang dami ng bintana dito banda sa sa room ng mga idik. And then nothing really is new. Matagal pa kasi ito kasi nagtataya silang lahat.